the speed s km/h of a car t seconds after starting is given by the formula s equal to 13t. A. Find the speed of the car 5 seconds after starting. B. How long does it take the car to reach a speed of 75 km/h? Solution. Now, from this question, the first we need to write is the formula x equals to 13t. And from this question, the unit of the speed is km/h, and the unit of the time is also in seconds, and s equals to 13t. Now, from this question, we asked to find the speed of the car 5 seconds after starting. So when t equals to 5 seconds, you have to be very careful while solving this kind of problem, because the time given is already in seconds. Don't forget that also t is in seconds. So you don't even need to convert t equals to 5 seconds to hour again, because the value of t is already in seconds. So you are good to go. S equals to what? 13 times t. And what is the value of t? T is 5. So it means that 13 times 5. Anywhere you see t, you put in 5. So you now have this to be what? 13 times 5 is what? 65. So you have this to be 65 km/h. That is the solution to the first question. Now for the B part, how long does it take the car to reach a speed of 75 km/h? Now for this part, s equals to 13t. We are given x, which is speed, to be what? 75 km/h. And we don't know the value of t. How long? When you see the equation, it's telling you how long. That is dealing with the time. So we are looking for time. Time is unknown. So what we need to do here, anywhere we see s, we put in 75 equals to 13t. We are now having a simple equation. From this simple equation, now, how can we solve this? We want to find t. What is the coefficient of t? 13. So we divide both sides by 13. Divided by t. So from here, 13 in 13, that is 1. So we need to divide this also. Using long division, we have the divisor is 13. Divisor will be here. And what is the dividend? That is 75. Now, 75 divided by 13. How many will you see there? That is 5. We can only see 5 of 13 in 75. Because 13 times 5 will give us 65. So 5 times 13 now we have 65. So what do? We take away again. We take away from this. 75 minus 65. What will you have? 10. This is the remainder. We have the remainder as what? As 10. Now, we can see that the remainder we have here is less than the divisor. So you can't divide further, because we want to leave our answer in form of a mixed number. So this is our quotient. Don't forget. Quotient. And this is our divisor. And this is the remainder. So now it means that 75 divided by 13 is the same thing as what? 5 whole number, 10 divided by 13 equals to t. But don't forget, we cannot write t, which is the time taken, when the speed is 75 km/h as well, 5 whole number, 10 divided by 13 seconds, because the time is in seconds. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.